National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southwestern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, Northwestern Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Shawnee, moving north at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Shawnee, Meeker, Johnson, Dale, Bethel Acres, and Idelot. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm warning